Okay, yesterday we had talked a little about the basicity of amines, basic character of amines. And there we had a little discussion that whenever we talk about the aliphatic amines, they are more basic as compared to ammonia, whereas aromatic amines are less basic than ammonia. Okay. Now we are going to do just one question, a simple, straightforward question. But this question is the culmination of everything that you have studied. You will have to apply all the factors to get the answer to this question. Okay? I am writing certain amines. And very obviously, you just have to arrange them in the order of basic character. Nothing more than that. Clear? And the amines are भाई साहब इनको बना के अरेंज करना शुरू कर दो ना. When you talk about the basic character of these compounds, you just have to see that how much is the electron pair available for donation. More easily the electron pair can be donated, more basic these compounds will be. Guanidine. Just arrange all these compounds in their basic character. Guanidine, Guanidine. quickly arrange them. Just think over how much the electron pair will be available and accordingly arrange them. I'll wait for 2 minutes, then I'm going to give the answer. Then again I'm going to wait for 2 minutes and give you the reasons. Okay, na? पीछे वाली कुर्सी पे आ जाओ। रिकॉर्डिंग में तुम्हारा सर आ रहा है नहीं तो। Okay, so the answer. The answer written on the board. This is the answer. The least, the highest. Think over the reason, and if you can, write it down. Okay, so to talk with the reason, अब ध्यान से सुनो। जब हम गुआनिडीन की बात करते हैं तो यू माइट बी टेम्प्टेड टू से कि यहां पर ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है वो इसके साथ कॉन्जुगेटेड है, बट इस कॉन्जुगेशन के अंदर जो हमें इसका रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा दैट वुड बी NH नेगेटिव C NH2 positive NH2. Now this NH, because of this negative charge, is going to be even a better electron donor than normal NH2. So this conjugation actually makes the electron density on nitrogen higher and it makes it a better electron donor. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन के आज सच इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड की जो एनर्जी है वो कार्बन से कम है, लेकिन जैसे ही यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड मिलता है इसको तो इसकी एनर्जी थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है, डोनेशन कैपेसिटी ज्यादा हो जाती है। फाइन, ठीक है। तो ये इस वजह से गुआनिडीन ज्यादा बेसिक बन जाता है। इनफैक्ट गुआनिडीन इज अमंग्स्ट द मोस्ट बेसिक ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स। टॉकिंग अबाउट पिपरिडीन, piperidine is simple secondary amine. As we had discussed yesterday, that if we have a CH3 attached to NH2, then in that case, that CH3 is going to push the electrons into NH2 and make the electron donation easy, because the electron cloud is going to be concentrated on a smaller region. Here we have two CH2 attached to nitrogen. Now these two CH2 attached to nitrogen are going to further occupy a larger space and concentrate the electron cloud into a still smaller region. And therefore the donation of the electron cloud will become even more effective. So this is a simple secondary amine that makes it more basic. When we talk about morpholine, morpholine again is a secondary amine. But here there is a slight twist. Because of the presence of the oxygen here, the oxygen pulls away the electron cloud from nitrogen towards itself by inductive effect. There isn't any mesomeric effect, there is not any other effect. So it is going to pull the electron cloud using inductive effect, that is going to slightly decrease the electron density on this nitrogen as compared to piperidine. Therefore, morpholine becomes a slight less basic compound as compared to piperidine. Moving on to aniline. Aniline, the nitrogen's electron pair is actually conjugated with the benzene ring. Being conjugated with the benzene ring, the electron cloud is even less available. And aniline becomes even less basic than morpholine. Fine. When you talk about pyridine, pyridine, the nitrogen is sp2 hybridized rather than sp3. Here, this electron cloud gets a larger region to spread. So it becomes less donatable. Is it okay? Here be very clear, pyridine, the electron cloud is not involved in conjugation. Pyridine itself is aromatic. The electron pair is not taking part in conjugation, but again, because of the sp2 hybridization of nitrogen, the electron cloud is spread over a larger region, which makes it less basic. And when you talk about pyrrole, the important thing about pyrrole, it again is sp2 hybridized. The electron pair of nitrogen is actually busy in aromaticity. And since it is involved in aromaticity, it is not at all available. So pyrrole automatically becomes the least basic. Is that clear? Any confusions? ये इससे बेटा यहां पर नाइट्रोजन के पास बस इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, ठीक है। यहां पर भी ये नाइट्रोजन जो है इसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया, एंड क्योंकि इसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया इस वजह से इसके लिए इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करना और आसान हो गया है। इसके ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज डेंसिटी बढ़ गई है, कम नहीं हुई है। ये सेकंड पे आना चाहिए था, क्यों? रुक बोलने दे। हाँ, इसमें तो लोन पेयर बचा हुआ है, इसमें भी लोन पेयर बचा हुआ है, तो दोनों में लोन पेयर तो है ही है। अब आगे बोलो। यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिमिलैरिटी, यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंस। लोन पेयर दोनों में है, दोनों में नाइट्रोजन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है, तो ये तो कॉमन थिंग हो गया। डिफरेंस क्या है? यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन है, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं है। अब ऑक्सीजन का इफेक्ट सोचो क्या होगा? Is it going to push the electron or it is going to pull the electron? What is it going to do? Pull electrons. So the electron density of nitrogen will become higher or lower? If oxygen pulls away the electron density of nitrogen will increase or decrease? Decrease. So donation capacity would become more or less? Less. Basic character? Increase. रिलेशन ठीक से करो ना, ये थोड़ी ना कि दो वर्ड्स है मोर और लेस, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ मोर, इसमें अक्कड़ बक्कड़ लेस, इसमें ऐसे थोड़ी ना चलता है। यू हैव टू रिलेट इट, ठीक है? टेक योर टाइम, जल्दबाजी नहीं है, सोच के आराम से। ये लेस है, ये मोर है, यहां पे इंक्रीज है, यहां पर डिक्रीज है, तो ऐसे चलना है आपको, सोच के चलना है, ठीक है? जस्ट नॉट ब्लर्ट इट आउट कि कोई शब्द तो बोलना है। क्लियर? और कोई बात इसमें पूछनी है? ठीक है? हाँ भाई, क्वेश्चन सीधा सीधा है, अरेंज दीज compounds in the order of basic character. That means how easily they can donate the electron cloud. Okay? I wrote the compounds, gave the question, and then I said it is actually the order. That is the least basic, this is the most basic. Reason समझ में आ गया? कोई confusion?